What's up, my unicorns? We are back with another video, and today I'm doing something a little different. I mean, I do them quite frequently, but I don't really post on my page that I really do them. But we're about to do a quick weave. With a quick weave, I still like to make sure that my braids are flat. Do you have to be the best braider for a quick weave? No. Just make the braids even, as in have an even number of braids, unless if it conflicts with the middle part, then do what you gotta do. But anyways, I've seen some people only do two braids in people's heads. Some people do a slick back ponytail and put the braid at the bottom. However you like your foundation to be, as long as you get all of the hair in there, you good. So I started a long time ago asking clients, okay, do you want your hair left out from the whole perimeter, just straight across your forehead? Or I love when they get a side part and they don't want all of their hair around their perimeter of their forehead out. So basically I just took some hair, I left it out in the middle. That's what that piece is. Now I parted out what was actually going to be the part, and now I'm parting out the space where it's going to be for the other side. So I sprayed some Eben on her edges. That didn't even pop up on camera, but I sprayed the Eben on her edges, slicked that back, then blow dried it. Now I was like, I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna go ahead and press out her leave out now, and then if I need to do any more touches like afterwards, I will. But I went ahead, pressed it all out. Now I'm pinning it, and I'm gonna put 2 caps on her head. So the first cap I spray it with Even, freeze that in place, let that dry, let that cool off. Then I throw another cap on top, and you can glue your perimeter around the edges. That helps as well if you're kind of self-conscious on whether or not if the glue is gonna stick or whatever. So yeah, let that dry, and now we're about to go ahead and start the gluing process. So I noticed for me, now this may be different for somebody else to do the quick weave or however else you do your technique, but I feel like for me, it's good to space the bundles out, because I would kind of do it how you do a sew-in, but you don't want a bob to be thick or even moderately thick, unless if you're gonna do like cute flip type layers. But just go straight across in the back. That's what I do. I do now kind of like a blocky type of look, and that helps me. But yeah, I also space out the bundles, and I don't double weft. Now, if they was getting something that came past their shoulders and that's what they wanted, then I would essentially like double weft. But as of now, yeah, I've learned my lesson, not doing that anymore. And then every so often, you don't have to do it for every track unless if you feel like it's not really secure, but you can wait like every second or every third track, fourth track, however many tracks you lay down. You can always go back with the blow dry if you laid it properly to secure it, even further. So now we have all of the hair sewn in, and I'm just going to cover up that blonde piece of the cap right there with some more hair. So I'm trying to use the blow dry but fan it away at the same time so her scalp doesn't burn. But anyways, we're going to mold the part, and I just used a little bit of wax on a stick, and then for her edges I used Even. I think by now, she said they sweat it out. She told me she used something. It was something that she used. But oh, y'all, it is 2 in the fucking morning. Well, 1 in the fucking morning. And I'm trying to create content. So forgive me. But I'm just going around trying to hide these pieces or whatever of the cap that can still be seen. I had those new caps, that's why I used them, so don't judge me and be in the comments, well, you should have bought the black ones. Baby, I did what the fuck I had to do. Like, not even one of y'all. Yep, and last but not least, we got to take a look at the final process. So this one was more so of a natural looking bob. So it's not too unrealistic. It's a nice length as far as if people were kind of grading her on the length. It's like a little bit thicker than a bob, and I only use like two bundles in her head. Probably not even two bundles if I'm being completely honest. But yep, that's pretty much it, you guys. Stay tuned for the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.